Hey Leia users, we are going to continue our tutorials in Leia's Toolbox. So bottom right corner, we're going to click on the Toolbox icon. We've spoken about the stuff at the top. We are going to start down here where it says provide feedback. So that's a good place if you want to let us know how we're doing. If you have an issue or something. Actually, if you have an issue, we recommend you reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact. But if you want to leave us a quick message, leave it here. That's a great spot to do that. Um, we also have a link to the tutorials, which looks like you've already found, but this is a good place to, if you're having trouble with something, you can, boom, it's all right here, and we're going to continuously add more stuff to that. Beneath the tutorials, the walkthrough is what you've already seen as soon as you've created a website. So we'll click View Walkthrough, and you can always, it's just another place to find some good tips and recommendations for stuff to do and how to do stuff. So we'll get through that and we'll finish that, and then let's begin. And then below that, we have, you can see, this will take you to more information about our upgrades. We have Leia Pro, which is 99 cents a month. You can get some good stuff to do there, and then there's also Leia Business, $3.99 a month. A lot of good stuff to help you add more stuff to your site as well. Underneath there, you can click on My Account, and that'll take you to where you can edit your name, you can edit your email address, and you can see the different payments you have for if you have multiple websites and you have different recurring payments and stuff. So we'll cancel out of there, and then below that, you can, if you want to click live, you can go see what your site looks like without being in the editor, without the toolbars and the toolboxes, and you can see what your customers would see if they went and visited your site as well. And then down here, if you click exit, it's gonna ask you if you want to save before you leave. What that's gonna do is you're gonna exit the editor in case you want to go edit one of your other one of your other websites, or go check out your account or something from there. All right, that's it for that. So thanks for watching. Check out the other videos. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.